If I were to start a freelancing career in 2024, here are 5 things I would do to succeed. First up, I'd niche down. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades, I'd focus on a specific niche where my skills truly shine. This not only makes marketing easier, but also attracts higher-paying clients. Second, I'd prioritize building a strong online presence. That means revamping my website, optimizing my social media profiles, and consistently creating valuable content to showcase my expertise. Third, networking would become a top priority. I'd join relevant online communities, attend virtual events, and actively engage with potential clients. Building meaningful connections is key to unlocking new opportunities. Fourth, investing in skills and education would be non-negotiable. Whether it's mastering new software or learning about the latest industry trends, continuous learning is essential for staying competitive. Lastly, I'd establish clear boundaries and systems from the get-go. This means setting realistic work hours, creating efficient workflows, and implementing effective communication strategies with clients to ensure a healthy work-life balance. These 5 strategies can set you on the path to success in 2024 and beyond. Until next time, happy freelancing.